Here we're working on the Cub Cadet brakes. I've glued on a replacement brake pad, and they won't fit on the tractor, just like mentioned on the website. And after measuring, I need to remove about 40 mils per pad. Keep things even, and I'm doing that. And it's going pretty well, so I thought I would show you all what's going on. So, first thing, when I set it up, I just grab a random piece of paper or something to check and make sure that both sides are pretty close. It was within about 2 mils. I first set it up and they were about 30 mils off, but I had to go scrape some of the gunk off on the back side with a razor blade and touch it with some sandpaper. And then it was flat within 2 mils. And I'm going down about 10 mils on a step. I'm cutting, and here we'll see some cutting. This is a indexable carbide mill I picked up at Cabin Fever. And you can see I've already gone down from this step. I've gone down an extra 10 mils, so I'm actually cutting 20 mils here. Kind of has a rubbery smell to it. Not exactly pleasant, but not super unpleasant either. Getting a nice finish. And we'll do about here. I'm at 30 mils. Let's adjust this. Now. Go to the back side, shoot the chips towards me. I need to rearrange a little bit here and get some better lighting. Probably cut on both sides, maybe. I didn't bother really zeroing the top. Yeah, I think I see a little bit cutting going on the back side. It's alright. Now we'll move over without moving. Adjusting the depth, and for our last cut and see how well our overlap is. Moment of truth. Not too bad. Wearing in will destroy that evidence, but I can see a lip, but I sure can't feel it with my fingernail. So that's well, we'll take her out of the mill, check her against the measurements I needed, and I got one more pad to cut.